Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. The Educators Baradar Campus, Gujarat. Class 6, Subject Science. Chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabrics. Video number 15. Move to reading of page number 37. Animal fibers. Number A, wool. This fiber is obtained from the hairs of sheep. The hairs of camels, goats, and rabbits are also used for making woolen fabrics. The hairs are removed from the animals with the help of a special clipper or a large razor. This process of removal of wool from sheep is called shearing. Shearing is also carried out with the help of shearing machine. The quality of wool depends on the breed of sheep. The quality is decided on the basis of color, thickness, length, shine, and strength of the fiber. Pashmina, an exceptionally good quality wool, is obtained from the sheep found in Kashmir and the surrounding Himalayan areas. Wool is fluffy since it retains air between the fibers. Air, being a bad conductor of heat, enables the woolen fibers to retain the body heat. Therefore, woolen clothes are good for wearing during the cold weather. Number B. Silk. It is obtained from the cocoon of silkworm. There are 4 stages in the life cycle of a silkworm: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The silkworm or larva feeds on mulberry leaves and spines a cocoon around itself. Each silkworm produces a single continuous thread of raw silk 300 to 900 meters long. The cocoons are boiled in water to kill the silkworms, and it is unwound to get the silk fiber. The rearing of silkworms for the production of silk is called sericulture. Rearing of silk was practiced in China for at least 5,000 years. Silk was traded to India, Middle East, and Europe. This route between Asia and Europe is named as the Silk Route. The shining texture of the fabric makes it a valuable dress material. Now move to our check your knowledge. Number 2. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is shearing? Answer is the process of removal of wool from sheep is called shearing. Question number 2. Give an important feature of the silk thread produced by a silkworm. Answer is the important feature of a silk thread produced by a silkworm is that 300 to 900 meters long. Number 3. Define sericulture. Answer is the rearing of silkworms from the production of silk is called sericulture. Question number 4. What makes silk a valuable dress material? Answer is the shining texture of the silk makes it a valuable dress material. Next is science bits. Point number 1. People who study ancient civilization and their cultures are called archaeologists. Point 2. In small sector, weaving is done on handlooms. In big industries, weaving is done on power looms. Next is your activity number 3.2. Aim to match the figures with the type of cloth made from them. Draw line from the plant or animal to the cloth that is made from it. Figure number A is the cotton plant figure. We match it with figure number 2 because it is made from cotton fibers. Figure number B shows the removal of wool from sheep. We match it with figure number 1 because it is a woolen fabric. Figure number C is a silkworm. We match it with figure number 4 because this cloth is made with silk. Figure number D is jute plant figure. We match it with a bag because it is made with jute fabric. Now move to page number 39. Spinning yarn. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. In this process, the cotton fibers are pulled to make them straight and then twisted. This makes the yarn stronger. Spinning is done with the help of simple devices like hand spindle or domestic spinning wheel. On a large scale, spinning is done with the help of spinning machines. Spinning machines consist of metal spindle shaped like spikes which make the process of spinning fast. After spinning, the yarns are dyed in different colors or treated with chemicals to prevent shrinkage before weaving into fabrics. Next topic is yarn to fabric. The two main processes of making fabrics from yarns are weaving and knitting. Number 1. Weaving. The process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving. Weaving is done in handlooms in which a shuttle carries the yarn back and forth across the yarn placed lengthwise. In big industries, power looms are used. The woven fabric is then dyed, bleached, or polished. Number B. Knitting. In this process, a single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. Sweater, socks, and mufflers are knitting from woolen yarn. Knitting is done by hand and also by machines. Science builds. Number 1. The Karakoram Highway connects Pakistan and China and is considered the world's highest cemented international road. It traces many ancient paths of the Silk Route. Science Bits number 2. Cotton is made of cellulose while wool and silk are made of proteins. Now move to our check your knowledge number 3. Answer the following questions. Number 1. In which process a single piece of yarn is used to make a piece of fabric? Answer is knitting. Question number 2 is why are yarns treated with chemicals before weaving? Answer is the yarns are treated with chemicals before weaving to prevent shrinkage. Question number 3 is name two simple devices used for spinning. Answer is hand spindle and domestic spinning wheel. Here is the end of your today's diary. Your diary is reading of page number 37, 38 and 39. Learn by heart. Allah Hafiz.